This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Fonseca. Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Cape Coral with incredible sunset views. This stunning single-family residence boasts a spacious split-bedroom floor plan, spanning 1,479 square feet of luxurious living space. With 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, including a master bedroom featuring a shower, and dual sinks, comfort and convenience are at the forefront. Step inside to discover a spacious interior, highlighted by a brand new roof and a recently installed water heater, ensuring modern comfort and peace of mind for years to come. The open kitchen, complete with a convenient breakfast bar, is perfect for both everyday living and entertaining guests with ease. Outside, indulge in the Florida lifestyle on your expansive screened lanai, featuring a refreshing ceiling fan and offering serene views of the fenced-in yard adorned with mature trees. A shed with electric provides ample storage space and endless possibilities for hobbies or projects. With storm shutters for added security and peace of mind during inclement weather, and this home combines functionality with charm in an unbeatable location. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this Cape Coral gem your own. For more information, review the details below.